back to another video. Have not vlogged in a while. Haven't had really any desire to. I haven't been feeling well. Weather's been awful. Car industry is just, I guess, in that stale, boring, whatever kind of state right now. So there hasn't been much to talk about. But today they made a few interesting announcements. So GM is going to finally build a base model Camaro. They're putting square stance wheels, 245. They're not going to have the fancy screen in here. It'll be more basic, like the 1LT Camaro. And honestly, it sounds great. If I was to buy a Camaro today, I would love to get another SS. But I am so far past, I guess, my car budget on this car that I wouldn't do it again. I would go more base model. I love this car to bits. I appreciate every feature in it, but I don't need it. I don't need big bulky tires in the back. I don't need any of that. For fuel economy and an economic perspective, it's way better. If you're going to the track and you're doing other things, more than likely you'll have a second set of wheels and a proper setup for that, but you have less money invested in the car. And the newer Camaros are actually a lot more money than what I paid. I paid about 46,000 Canadian before taxes, and this car MSRP was 56. So you see the price gap. If I could get a brand new 2019 again for around that 45, 46 grand, would be a much better decision than spending 60 on a new one. Just my 2 cents. A lot of economic benefit, and a lot of people that will just never use all the extra stuff. This 2SS, oh, there's another one. No idea who that is, but beautiful hyper blue. So this 2SS is beautifully equipped. It is truly an incredible car. The track times are absolutely unbelievable and everything about it, but not everybody needs that. Some people just want a cool V8 and a cool looking car, and the new car does that. They also announced a new base, some new base model stuff. I guess they're going to offer different colored calipers and a whole bunch of other little things, red seat belts, which will be cool. Oh. Wow, this car is just so good. Oh, I love everything about it. So anyway, now that we're back to being sane human beings, they also moved the bow tie on the SS. When you black out the bow tie, because people are getting the cars now and they're starting to do their thing to it, it really doesn't look bad. It really isn't like oh, cops are up there. Behave, Bob. So it really doesn't look bad. I just don't love the giant chrome there. It does kind of bug me a little bit, but I did see a car blacked out, and I thought, you know what, I would black it out myself. I'd put some vinyl on it, I'd tape it off, I'd spray paint it, plasti dip it, whatever, and you really would be kind of just right in the middle. It's just kind of one of those things that it is what it is. You got to live with it. The tail lights, they are what they are. Again, having spent time with the 2019 ZL1, which obviously has a face that everybody loves, the tail lights are what they are. Again, like, I don't love them, but I would be more than willing to live with them. It's more or less other people that you're racing that have to put up with your taillights. So that's fine by me. I usually park the car. Oh, this dude just zipping up. He's gonna take the whole route. So it is what it is, but the fact that they moved the bow tie, I guess I just appreciate the fact that GM is listening to their customers. Don't ever tell anybody I took a little detour here, but I'm going to save about 10 minutes off my evening, because we would just sit there all damn day waiting for this traffic to eventually do nothing. That's how it works. So I don't know, it's interesting that the designers are listening to people and that they are making design decisions based on mass outcries. I do think that the cop's still there, lights off. Okay, he was just waiting to pull that guy over. That works, I guess. This is epically confusing for absolutely everybody. Cool. Sounds like a pretty good time. So I don't know. It's interesting to see what goes on. Again, I would have bought a base model. I would have had an absolutely grand time. Put some canards on it, made it look ridiculous, and just loved the hell out of it. I guess this is the first Camaro news we've had in a really long time. We're all just waiting for this mid-engine Corvette. Now that's the thing. Till next time, guys, drive safe, take care, and behave as always.